Right, I feel a lot of enjoyment doing various exercises around my car, such as just simply pacing back and forth, squeezing my shoulders. This is one that just helps pass the time. It's pretty light duty. I just pace, switching up the arms and just trying to squeeze the shoulders as much as I can. It used to hurt my shoulders. I used to feel a stinging feeling doing this, but doing it enough has taken that away. So if you start something like this, you'll get a stinging feeling until you build up the cartilage. Then you stop feeling that stinging feeling, and you got more durable shoulders. Then maybe I'll stop and, I don't know, let's say do some rows. I think I'll need to turn a little bit for that. Since I got this curb, I can just push against that. Sometimes I'll just do the tire and just sit here and row. Now this is the easier row than using the triangle, and I really don't have to set up anything. Works the muscles a little different. It works the muscles a little different, widening the back as opposed to pushing against the tire where I got a narrow. I can actually widen, and it's working them different. But this feels rewarding. Just trying to do as many as I can. It's like rowing a boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. And of course, changing up my foot stance. Yeah, I'm pretty weak in that department. Set them off to the side. Go back to pacing with the 6-footer, because now my back is a little pumped up, and I'll work sort of similar muscles with the shoulders again. So I'll just go back and forth and just feel the shoulders tighten, tensing up the shoulders to complement that back exercise. It's pretty rewarding, and I kind of like to use various lengths. The 6 is feeling pretty nice. Using a long length over the 4-footers. I think I want to make this 6 my kind of my 6-foot walking stick. I don't think I like the 5-footers so much when I'm in the woods. All right, pumped up the back, the shoulders, now the calves. Just pump up the calves. This bounce got my calves sore for like 3 days. I was always just standing here and just doing light bounces, but then I start really bouncing, trying an advanced workout, and my calves get sore. So that was a surprise. So I'm gonna do it more often because I'm feeling more reward. My heels hit nothing. I stabilize where I'm bouncing, so it's all the balls of my feet. It's very good. And so I'll just get my calves all tired, and then And then I want to complement that with some squats every so often, because I got a bad left knee that hurts a lot. Unless if I do enough of the right exercises like this, I complement my calf exercises with the squat. Try to break the sticks. And there's a size difference between these. That's why I like to change up the hands every so often. Because I gotta hatchet it down the end so I can grip it and have a nice thick piece that pushes against my leg. That's pretty nice. So I just sit here and do kind of a casual workout, working the shoulders, the calves, the legs, rows for the back. And of course I change it up even more, but these are kind of like fundamental exercises for me now. Keep out the 7+ sticks, the 6, the calf block, and the 4s. All for this type of exercise. Try to tense up the biceps with this. I just sit here, just pretty much just kind of keep active. I guess it's about keeping active, and these different sticks have become my toys for that. That I enjoy. All right.